Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and console connectivity, because you must issue spawn and config commands. Once done, choose the quarry placement and fuel source so you avoid moving it later. Use the console to spawn the quarry entity with the chosen radius and resource target. For example, specify sulfur as the resource and set a 50-meter radius to prioritize extraction. Make sure to record the entity ID in case you need to reference or reconfigure the quarry mid-run. Next, you configure how the quarry extracts and routes sulfur so the run is efficient. Use console commands to set extraction rate and fuel consumption, because lowering rates can prevent server lag while increasing uptime improves yield. Once configured, connect the quarry output to conveyors, filters, and storage chests to automate collection. Make sure filters prioritize sulfur and stackers handle overflow. While running, monitor server logs and quarry status, so you can tweak radius or rate if performance. Finally, you secure the quarry output and automate repeatable operation so sulfur keeps flowing. Assign ownership and correct permissions, add timers or triggers for refueling, and save or back up the configuration and entity ID to prevent accidental loss. Make sure conveyors and collectors remain clear and fuel supplies stay topped up. If the quarry produces no output, check ownership and permissions first, then validate the entity ID and server logs, and confirm the world's sulfur spawn rates. Those steps solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.